So intensive tutorial में किरण सिन्हा मैम once again with a new chapter, heat and its effect. So without wasting the time, let us start the chapter. So let us come to the topic, what is heat? We will start from here. To understand the concept of heat, let us do one activity. When you rub your hands against each other, what happens? You will feel that your hand get heated. So what happens? Why heat is produced? So when you are rubbing your hand, what happens? The mechanical energy is converted into heat energy. So here heat is produced due to loss of kinetic energy of the hand, and your hand become warmer. Now come to other example. When you burn fuel like wood, coal, kerosene, petrol, any other fuel, when fuel is burnt, the chemical energy stored in the fuel get converted into heat energy. In an electric heater, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. So from these examples, it is very much clear that heat is form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness and coldness. And other form of energy, any other form of energy, whether it is mechanical energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, other form of energy can be converted into heat energy. In the same way, heat energy can be converted into some other form of energy. In the same way, heat energy can be converted into other form of energy. As for example, in the heat engine, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. In hot iron, heat energy is converted into light energy because hot iron start glowing. In burning candle, candle is made up of wax and wax have chemical energy. So in burning candle, chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. In the same way, electric bulb, when we switch on electric bulb, the bulb will start glowing because electrical energy is converted into heat and light energy. So heat energy can be converted into from one form to different form of energy. So इस तरह के एग्जाम्पल के डिस्कशन से एक चीज़ तो क्लियर हो गया कि हीट इज़ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी एंड हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड due to conversion of other form of energy into heat energy. In the same way, heat energy can be converted into some different form of energy. लेकिन इससे ये क्लियर नहीं हुआ कि हीट एनर्जी एक्चुअली है क्या, व्हाट इज हीट एनर्जी. सो अब इसको समझते हैं हम लोग. सी, एवरी मैटर, वेदर इट इज सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस, every matter is made up of tiny particles and we call it molecule. Got it? And molecules are always in random motion. And when any solid, liquid or gas is heated, what happens? Its constituent molecule gain energy, heat energy, and it start moving at high speed. It is already in motion. So when it gain heat energy, its motion increases, its speed increases. So molecules start moving vigorously because of increase in its kinetic energy. Got it? So you can say कि आप बोल सकते हो कि इसका हीट एनर्जी इंक्रीज हो गया. So heat energy is actually the energy of the molecular motion. greater the molecular motion, greater is the heat energy contained in that body. Got it? So, every matter, whether it is solid or liquid or gas, it is made up of tiny particles. Particles are always in motion. When solid, liquid, gas, any matter is heated, its molecule gain heat energy, and due to gain of heat energy, its molecular motion increases. More the energy supplied to the body, more the energy gained by the molecule. You can say कि heat energy in the body increases, because on heating you can observe that the body become hot due to increase in its heat energy. Got it? So, energy is molecular motion of the object.